And what about ye? And in the garage today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Polo, and the customer complaint on this one is airbag fault. So airbag light remains on there after engine start, and well, another telltale sign. Horn doesn't work, and none of these buttons do anything. So we'll do a quick scan, and but fair idea what's wrong with this. What'll maybe do, I'll put the microphone close to the steering column there, like that. And we'll give this wheel a bit of a rotation. Yeah, we can hear a bit of clicking. So quick scan, let's see what we've got. Hit report, and let me see, what have I got here? Refrigerant pressure, lower limit not reached, usual, not interested in that. Anti-theft alarm, airbag, driver airbag, resistance too high. No communication in the steering wheel. Yep. What we'll do is we'll come out of that, and let's see now. Steering assist. Steering assist, no fault. We'll go into that in a second. Right, data. Let me see. Steering angle, 20.2 degrees. Right, so steering angle's fine, works okay. So this thing, my diagnosis for this thing needs a clock spring, but it doesn't have the steering angle sensor in the clock spring. So this car needs a clock spring, so we'll take the airbag out. So it's basically just a ribbon connector that goes between, you know, the steering column electronics and the steering wheel itself. So with our horn not working and fault on the driver's airbag and the buttons on the steering wheel. So good practice to disconnect the battery before we do any airbag work, you know. Right, so we'll pull this out, and we'll get our top cover off. And we'll need to get something in here to do this airbag, so that's it there. Let's see if we can get in here. Wee stubby screwdriver. What the? Yeah, maybe not. Something else. Just have to have a hook around. There we go. Well, that was a bit of a fluff. These things are held in 3 places. So you have to get it in there and sort of pull it back a right bit. And yeah, not easy. We'll get this thing disconnected. Hey, get this wheel off. That's a triple square. Well, before we do that, we need to make sure there's marks on it. It looks a wee bit off on the camera anyway. Well, we'll take note of that. So there's our clock spring, which is just a ribbon in here. It just connects that to, the airbag module there and the buttons in the steering wheel. So this one here, because the steering angle sensor isn't in this, as we've proved, this shouldn't need coding or anything. This is just purely electrical connection. So a couple more torques will get this bottom bit off. And there's 3 wee torques here, but let's have a wee play with this. Yep. Shouldn't do that. So normally you get about 2.5 turns left and 2.5 turns right. And the ribbon, that will be the extent of the ribbon. So this ribbon's clearly broke. So we'll get these wee boys here off. And we'll disconnect this connector before we do that. And this should just lift off. And that's it. Now here's a replacement out of Volkswagen. 49 quid. Get it out of the box. So the new ones, they'll be fixed in position with this red tab. So if you buy second-hand ones of these, they're going to be out of position, and you have to centralize them yourself. So yeah, not too bad. We'll get that into position, the new one, keeping our positioner in place, and we'll get new screws as well. Now just pull this out. And reposition our wheel. Get a bit of extra come to lagging on here. Oh, we'll be able to get our battery back on again now. Right, so we'll clear these codes here, but well, that's a good start. Raise. So the airbag light is out. Horn works, and let's see if these steering wheel things work. Good job. So handy enough. Just a wee bit tricky getting the airbag off there. So that's the old one. That's I don't know. There's part numbers there. But so this Polo. This one here. There's no code and there's nothing. You know, this is just purely an electrical connection. As I said, you get the like of this in a Polo, Skoda, Fabia. The smaller Volkswagens. The larger Volkswagens will have they'll have there'll be a module associated with this. So, there's not much to this. It's purely a ribbon cable. That's all it is. So, how do we hook at it? Try and get it apart. How do we look at it inside it? And that's basically it. There is nothing to it. It's a plastic housing with a ribbon cable in it. That's it. Let's see if I can get. Plastic tabs don't break when you want them to break. So there we go. Nothing to it. Where was that supposed to be joined onto? Oh, there. So this is just tore off there. There's our failure point. So there we go. That's it. Maybe you got something out of that. And yeah, customer's on the phone there, wanting the car back. So yeah, right. Maybe get something out of that. Many thanks for watching. As ever, all the best and. Oh.